Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Valentina here, and today I am going to be doing a yoga video for you guys because I haven't done a stretching video in a minute here, and I decided that I am due for a nice stretching routine. So today's routine is going to be nice and gentle because I think I overworked out my legs and now I'm feeling very tight and I am less flexible than usual. So today is going to be a very gentle, very slow routine. So if you are in the same predicament as me and you're not feeling very flexible, this stretching routine is for you. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we get started, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe. Also check out my exclusive pages down below in the description box, and let's go ahead and begin.